Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Coolify on your Ubuntu 20.04 server. By the end of this video you will be able to start using it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, install the dependencies using the following command. Next, run the official installation script with the following command. Then wait for the installation to finish. This can take up to 5 minutes. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now open your web browser and enter your server IP with port 8000. After that, create an administrator account and you can start working with Coolify. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.